Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn a short trending dance to a mashup of Hate That I Made You Love Me by Ariana Grande and Hit Me Baby One More Time by Britney Spears. This dance was choreographed by a creator named Bianca over on TikTok. I will tag her down in the video description. This is just my interpretation. We're going to break down the moves nice and slow, step by step, using a lot of repetition and having some fun. Please note, this video is going to be the tutorial only, so we're not going to dance it with music in this video. However, there's another video where I will dance it with music, and it's linked down in the video description or up here in this card. So go check that video out when you're ready to practice with music, or if you just want to see what this dance looks like with music. All right, let's move and have fun. Here we go. We're breaking the moves down into counts of 8, and there are going to be 2.5-ish of those total. We're actually going to start before the first 8 count on 7 and 8 and. So in dance, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to start on the 7 and 8 and of the phrase. Just your arms. We're going to take our hands and fists. On 7, they're swinging up just for momentum so that they can swing back on and. They're going to swing forward to cover your face on 8. Then they're going to go back behind your head on and. Elbows pulled back. So this is up, back, back. But the backs are different, obviously. So you're swinging just kind of like cross mid-body. They swing back, cross your face, behind your head. Your hips, we're gonna move them side to side. You're gonna sit into your right hip on 7 and when they swing back, swing to the left here, swing to the right here. So we're going 7 and 8 and, just sitting into those hips. And 8 and. 7 and 8 and. If you want to add a head, you can just tilt it side to side. That's what mine wants to do for some reason. But I think you can actually look also what the original creator does. So she's looking to the right, to the left, and then to the front here. So it's 7, look, look, look. It's a lot going on. This is the hardest step, I promise. For me, at least. So we're going to go 5, 6, swing, 7, and 8, and. Let's do it a couple times so it starts to build that muscle memory. I'm going to say 5, 6. We're going to take those arms up on 7. Nice and slow. 5, 6, swing, 7, and 8, and. Again, 5, 6, swing, up, down, up, back. 5, 6, go, 7 and 8 and. And you just want to make it really sharp as you can. 7 and 8 and. From here, our first full 8 count, we're going to start on 1. Arms are going to come down. You're going to step out to the left as your hips circle back, around, and then sit into the left hip. Then we're going to switch our weight to the right, hips circle around, and then sit into the right hip. So it starts with a step. 1, sit, 2, circle, 3, sit, 4. Again, just your footwork. Arms are going to come down on 1, 2, 3, 4. Arms, they came down on 1. We already said this. Your right arm's going to come up and then hit your left shoulder, or just, fold over to the left. And then it's going to come around, and then the left arm is going to come up to the right shoulder. So this was 8. You're going to step open, arms come down. 1, right arm, 2, circle, 3, left arm, 4. Again, you're here, you're going to step out. 1, arm comes up, 2, circle, 3, left arm, 4. One last layer, if you want, is your head. It's going to pop on 1, 2, the same direction as your arm's going or swinging your body. I'm going to keep it facing this direction, 3, and then I'm going to switch it on 4. So it goes 1, look, 2, keep it there, 3, look, 4. I'm going to count you in. 5, 6, step open to your left on 1, hip, 2, 3, hit 4. From here, we'll finish this 8 count out. You're going to look to the front on and. Then we're going to do hip circles. 5, 6, 7, and then you're kind of going to circle into that last 8 last count of 8. So you're looking on and. We're doing little tiny hip circles this time. So just do whatever feels good here. It's not too technical. It's a TikTok dance, y'all. We're just moving and having fun. Your arm was up. It's gonna come down. 5, 6, 7. So you have 3 counts to bring this hand, your left hand, down your body, or keep it out in front, whatever you wanna do. This is and 5, 6, 7, 3 little hip circles into this right finger coming up, or right hand coming up on 8. So this was 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. You start to just bring it up into that. Let's talk about this first full 8 count, and then we'll go back to that 7 and 8 and. So you finished here. You're gonna step out to the left, circle your hips. 1, sit and look. 2, circle. 3, sit and look. 4, and 5, 6, 7, right arm up. 8. Yeah, I'm gonna count you in again, just that 8 count, then we'll go back to the top. 5, 6, 7, step left on 1, look. 2, then 3, look. 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, going back to 7 and 8 and, our favorite step. So remember, this is 7, you sit and cover your face. 8, open, and then you're gonna step out 1. That's how we'll connect it. So it's 7 and 8 and 1, 2. I'm just gonna say 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Ready? You can do it. 5, 6, arms. 7 and 8 and 1. Look. 2, 3. Look. 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it again a little bit faster. So we'll go 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Ready? You can do it. Just hold 5, 6. 5, 6, arms. 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, fantastic job. We're gonna add on when you're ready. Remember, it's a recorded tutorial. You can pause it, practice as much as you need to. When in doubt, dance it out. You can't mess it up, just move. Even if you're just watching it, I'm proud of you. I appreciate you. All right, our second full 8 count. So we did 5, 6, 7, 8, just your legs, your footwork. You're gonna pick this right knee up as you sit into your left hip. 1, and then you're gonna switch. 2, and then you're gonna switch. 3, and then you're gonna switch. 4. So we're sitting into those hips. Left hip, but right leg lifts. That's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again, so this was 8. This right foot's gonna come up on the count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Yes, arm was up. This one's gonna just come down in whatever manner you want it to. The left one's gonna come up to your hip as the right one comes down. So this was 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You're gonna bring this left foot together on the and I'm gonna tilt my head to the right. So this was 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If you don't want to tilt your head, just bring that foot in and. We're going to do a little body roll back. 5, 6, 7. You have 3 counts. So think about your head's going to go back, then your shoulders are going to follow. So you have something pulling your head, and then your shoulders follow, and then your hips, but you're stepping back as you do that. So step back on that left foot, push your head, your shoulders, your chest, your midsection, and then finally your hips and your lower body. Snake down or body roll. So this was and, I'm gonna let the hand drop, 5, 6, 7. 3 counts, yes? So our second 8 count, we did 5, 6, 7, 8, the right knee comes up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7. We'll finish the 8 count out. You're gonna go and 8, and. So you're gonna point to your eyes. We're looking. I'm gonna bring this left hand back to my hip. Look, take a little chin pop up with the fingers. So the chin and the fingers go up, chin and the fingers come down. 8, I'm sorry, and 8, and 8, and, or whatever you wanna do here. And 8, and, it doesn't matter, it's a TikTok dance. And 8, and is what I'm doing. And 8, and 8, and. Forward, up, down. Forward, up, down. I don't know why I'm calling this forward, but you're pointing at yourself. Point, up, down. Yes, that's 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. And it's with the bum, bum, bum. Again, just it matches the same beat that we did that first step on. Okay, our second 8 count. We finished our first 8 count here. Bringing the arm down, right knee goes up on 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and we body roll 5, 6, 7, and 8, and that was it. Try it again. 5, 6, 7, right knee up on 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. We're gonna finish it out. This next part's really just whatever you wanna do, but there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna step on my right, touch my left, step on my left, touch my right. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 1, 2, I'm gonna take this left shoulder and push it to the front. 1, 2, and then as I go to the left, I'm gonna go 3, 4, or 3, 4. So like you're blowing a kiss. Woo, 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 whatever it says in the song there, right? Never know lyrics. So you finish and 8, and you're gonna step on that right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, or whatever you wanna do there to finish it out. And that's it, that's the choreography. So our second 8 count again, this was 5, 6, 7, this was 8. You're gonna bring the right knee up, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever you want to finish it there. Yeah, very, very, very nice. Let's go back to the top. We're going to walk it through super duper slow, see how everything fits together. So we're starting with 7, and 8, and we're going to step out to the side. Really slow. I'm going to say 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Ready? Here we go. 5, 6, arms, 7, and 8, and 1, look, 2, circle, 3, look, 4, and 5, 6, 7, right arm, 8. Then we go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic job. Let's do it again. We might go a little bit faster this time, just a little bit though. So we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2. I believe in you. Here we go. Hold 5, 6. 5, 6 goes 7, and 8, and 1, look, 2, circle, 3, look, 4, and circle, 6, 7, right arm, 8, then we go knee, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, then 3, 4. What is this? I don't know. Fantastic job. We're gonna do it one more time here together, up a little closer to the tempo of the song. I'm gonna start counting on the 1. So I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna go on 7, and 8, and 1, 2. I believe in you. Here we go. A little bit faster, starting counting on 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. 5, 6, go 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, look, 4, and 5, 6, 7, right, 8, knees, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic job. And that was our tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me today. This style of movement doesn't come naturally to me. I don't know if you could tell. But I still had fun getting up and moving and trying it. And that's what I love about TikTok trends or any kind of dance trend, because it's just getting up and moving and having fun. So I'm telling you this, I'm sharing it so that you know if you didn't feel comfortable doing this, or maybe you did, as long as you were up and moving, then you were doing it right. That's all we're doing. Even if you were just sitting and watching, I'm still proud of you, because it's hard to be a human. Am I right? Remember, when you're ready to practice with music, it's in a separate video that's linked down in the video description. So go check that out when you're ready. If you had fun today and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again for joining me. I had so much fun dancing with you today. I hope you had fun as well. Please go have a wonderful rest of your day. Be kind to yourself and kind to others. And please come back and dance with me again in another tutorial. Bye, y'all.